Now everything is good, friends.
Yes,
Hmm?
sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, yeah. So now, okay, let's start. So here, what is that? Where that token is generating? Where that token is generating, friends?
What is
In the producer side, right?
Yes, yes.
In the
yeah.
producer side, right? So this way, whenever our producer is what generating this token, right? Generating this token, that is nothing but what we are saying now. That is what is that? Securing that what? Securing that username and password. That password securing in the like a producer side, that is nothing but what? Secret. That is called what? Secret. What we are saying now, friends? Hmm? That is nothing but what we are
Secret.
saying, that is called what? Secret, right? Secret.
Secret.
So
Secret.
yeah. So here what? Now JWT JWT token JWT token is generated by what? By producer, right? Using what? Using one concept is secure concept, right? Secure sorry, this producer using secure code, right? Using secure code. That secure code is nothing but what is the secret. Securing, right? A token, that token is securing, that is nothing but what? That is nothing but what? Secret, right? That is nothing but what? Secret concept. Okay, 1 minute, friends. One. Sorry, friends, sorry. Now let's start it. Okay, so securing that, right? Securing. So this secure code is nothing but what is that? Secret. This secret we are using to what? Validating the token, right? So the thing is, okay, generated token look like how our generated token is looking like, right? Let's see that. Okay, let's see that. I will show you people. Okay, so generated JWT token looks like generated what is that? JWT look like means what? Just normal, guys, encoded format. Encoded, right? Encoded format. Encoded JWT token is look like in the encoded format. How it's in how it will be the encoded format? Like dot like this means what? Just not like this, just something here will be there, here will be there, two dots will be there between. So here just something like this will be there, and again one dot will be there, one dot symbol will be there, one dot symbol will be there. After then some code will be there. After then what is that? One more concept will clear. Wait, right? Now some code will be there like this. Okay, so our Java token JWT token will be like this only. So in the three part, in the JWT token, three parts will be there. First part will be before this dot section, right? Before this dot section we are saying that header section. Then after dot, in middle of that things we are saying that what? Payload, right? Payload, right? After then what? Dot, After then what we are saying that this is called what? Signature. That is called what? Signature. That is called what? Signature. One side is there, friends. Okay, let's see that. One side I'm opening. You guys will get I'm saying really correct or not? What is the side? JWT only, right? Oh, what I'm searching, JWT. Okay, JSON token. Okay, this one only. See this here. What is that? Red token is what is that? Header section. And this one is what? This one is what?
Payload.
Payload. And this one is what?
Signature.
Signature. See this? This one is divided in three part or not? Come on, three part or not? So wait, I will tell. Okay. So now let's understand more clearly here. So just what is that? This is the JWT token. This is the JWT token will be there, right? And in this one, what? How many parts are there in the JWT? How many parts are there, friends? Three parts are there. Three parts are there, right? Three parts are there. What is that? First one is what? Header.
Header.
Header, right? First one is what? Header. And second one is what? Payload. Payload. And last one is what? Signature. Signature, right? In the header section, what kind of things will be there? This is not useful for us. This area is not useful for us. That one will be taken care by what? Our application. These things we will use whenever we will develop, right? Our usage area is in this area. This one will take care by our application. We don't bother about that area. So that one is look like what is that? What kind of things will be there now in the header section, friend? What kind of things will be there now in the header section? In the header, what is that? Something and a type will be there, right? Header JWT type will be there. And in this section, what is that? Consumer ID will be there, producer application will be there, token will be token created date will be there. It means what? In the payroll section. In the payload section, what is that? In the payload section, what kind of things will be there? Just I'm giving. In the payload section, in the payload section, what kind of things will be there? Like what? Open curly bracket, close curly bracket. Inside that, what is that? ID will be there. ID will be there. What kind of ID will be there now? Consumer ID. Consumer ID will be there, right? Consumer ID will be there. Another one is what? Another one is what? Subject. Another one is what? Subject. Subject will be there. Subject inside that subject, what is that? Something related to what? Consumer information only, right? Consumer information. Consumer unique something will be there, right? Something will be there. After then what? After then what? After then producer information, right? Producer information will be there. Producer application information. Producer application information will be there, right? Producer application information is there. And what is that? Issue date. Issue date will be there when this token is generated. Token creation date. Created date will be there, right? Created date will be there. And when this token will expire. When this token will expire. when this token will be expired. Token expiry date. Token expiry date will be there. Okay, fine friends. After then what? In the signature section, what will be there now? In the signature section, what will be there now? I'll tell. So in the signature section, right? Anybody remember that decrypt, encrypt things we are using for the decryption and encryption purpose? Na, come on.
Yes, Ravi.
But here, what will happen now? Our JWT. Sorry. Here what will happen now? Our JWT will use what is that? Base 64. Base 64 to what is that? Encrypt this header section data and what is that? Body section data. Means what? Means what? This header section data. Let's take this one only, red. This header section data as well as what? As well as what? This payload section, right? Payload section, right? Payload section data. What will happen? Using base 64, right? Using base 64, right? Using what? Base 64. What will happen now? This data will encrypt. This data will encrypt, become encrypted format. Using which one now? Base 64 API. Base 64 encoded, right? After then what? Here what is that? This data, right? Here which one now? Here this data. 1 minute. Let's make this one as a red. Here what is that? This data will encrypt. Here what? This data will encrypt using what? Base 64. Using base 64 encoded. These two things will encode, right? These two things will encode. After encoding these two things, what will happen? Third things, what will happen now? What third things? What will happen? Third things will become what is that? Secret code. So the third one will become what? Secret. Secret is nothing but what? Secure code only. Secret, right? Third things will become what? Secret. And this encrypted things will store in this secret memory, and this one also will combine. After combining that, this one will become what? Signature. This one will become what? Signature. And this area, these things will store in the signature area. Now people are getting my point.
Secret and signature are different.
Sorry?
Secret and signature are different.
Signature only, secret only becoming signature. Secret only, what I said that, see, this data is there now. This data will encrypt here using which API? Base 64 API. And this header section also will become encrypted format using what? Base 64. And here both are combining. After encrypting that, both are combining. That combination is called what? Secret. And
header
and the payload section is encrypting in the single code, right? And that single code is storing in the signature area. That after becoming secret, right? What will happen now? That secret only becoming signature. Clear?
Okay, got it.
Now here, see this, right? See this here, what I said that, see, in the signature verification, what is a base 64 URL encoder header and payload? Reading or not? See this, what I explained. Header section and body section, right? And that one we are saying that what is that? Secret. and that secret is storing inside that signature area. That one only I'm explaining now. Come on,
Yeah, Ravi.
Yes.
getting my point? Arey,
Yes, sir.
right na? Come on, the same things
Yes, yes,
only.
yes.
See what I explained. 64-bit URL. That is what is that? What things is there? Header. And
Header,
again
yes.
here, what is there? Payload.
Payload or body.
And payload, right? Payload. And here, right, both are combining here itself only. In which section both are combining? In the signature area,
Signature. Signature area.
right?
Yes, yes.
No, after then what is that? What is becoming? Secret only, right? Come on.
Yes.
And
Yes,
this
sir.
secret is storing in which area now? Signature area only.
Signature
This one only I'm explaining or not, yaar?
Yeah, Ravi.
Clear? People
Yes,
are
yes.
so
Yes, yes.
yeah,
Payload and
yeah.
payload.
So yeah.
Payload and header converted into the secret, then secret
Mm,
after converted into the signature.
that is called what? JWT. That is called what? JWT, friends, right? So
Right, sir.
now, till now, whatever discussion is happened, anyone having any doubt in that?
No, Ravi.
Hmm?
Yeah, no, Ravi.
Just
No,
tell
Ravi.
me whatever discussion is happened, this one is useful or not, and this is the real time things are not, friends. Only those people can explain. Only those people can explain who's really working in the project. Who's
Yes.
really working in the project. And if anybody is saying that this concept is not useful, just directly think about that person is even not a real time person also. Because without JWT, there is no web services are distributed application. So this is the real time things, guys. You guys are learning here. And see, even I'm not compromising anything. I compromised anything in whenever I'm delivering the subject, friends? No,
No,
right?
Ravi.
No, no, no.
Yeah. So okay, so let's do one thing.
What is ALG?
Sorry.
ALG in header section. What is the full form of ALG?
Sorry.
In header section, you put na ALG. What is ALG?
Algorithm or type.
ALG, that is the algorithm. That is the algorithm. Something is there. That is using our JWT only. Header section we are not using. Right? I said initially that is not useful for us. That is not useful for us. But in the JWT, these things is there. That's why I explained.
Okay.
So the thing is, guys, okay, what I'm doing now, actually, I'm stopping the session here itself only, right? And I will share this notes on my Facebook group, guys. Okay, I don't want to complete last everything, but whatever theory today I explained about what is that is stateless and stateful, as well as what token. Please read once and join next weekend sessions, rather, guys. Okay, so I'm stopping today's session here itself only. We will meet in next weekend, if that is fine, friends.
Yeah.
Yeah, fine, fine, sir.
Yeah, okay, so let's say stop session, friends. See you in next weekend, right?
Okay.
Okay, okay. Okay, Ravi.
Okay,
Bye,
okay,
Ravi.
okay.
Yeah.
Bye,
Have a good
bye.
day. Thank you, sir.
You too. Bye, bye,
Bye.
guys.
Yeah, Ravikant, Suresh
Huh?
here.
Yeah.
Hello,
Hmm.
Suresh here.
Yeah.
You all